This is Drew with Lexus of Jacksonville introducing our certified pre-owned vehicle of the week. This week features our 2023 Lexus LX600. This caviar black LX has only 7,819 miles and has been priced to sell at only $116,875. This four-wheel drive, 10-speed automatic transmission vehicle is equipped with a 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 engine and has an amazing 409 horsepower. This vehicle is equipped with an abundance of safety features including the pre-collision system, dynamic cruise control, and lane keep assist. Some of this vehicle's features include active height control, Mark Levinson surround sound system, and a 12.3-inch touch display equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. All Lexus certified vehicles go through a 161-point inspection. They come with an unlimited mile warranty for up to 6 years, the next 4 scheduled maintenances, and access to the Fields amenities including complimentary car washes in the Fields Cafe for breakfast and lunch. Stop by Lexus of Jacksonville today to test drive this or any of our great certified vehicles.